Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add a bank account on Bitget. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your Bitget app on your phone. Once you have opened it app, then all you gotta do is tap on this option of menu icon on top left corner or this more icon in the middle. Then you gotta go to this P2P option, and from over here you're gonna go to this three dot on top and tap on payment methods. Now you're gonna tap on this option of add, and for that matter you have to make sure that your ID verification is completed. Once you're verified yourself by providing the requirements, which is your issued document, government issued document, your face recognition, and the estimated time of an hour has gone through and you have been verified, you will be able to add your bank detail, which will simply require your bank information, your account number, etc. Go ahead, add in accordingly, and you will be able to add your bank likewise. So that is basically how you do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.